guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Glad to see you. And I'm Stacy.
I'm Janet. We are from
Zhejiang Yanpeng Nonwoven Machinery Company Limited. So today we are going to introduce how to choose the most suitable nonwoven fabric machine. And please like us, share us, and subscribe our channel, and send your comments below this about our video. Okay, so let's get to the point.
Yeah, I think it will really helpful, Stacy.
Yeah.
Many customers don't know the difference between different nonwoven fabric making machine and don't know how to choose a suitable machine. So what are you going to talk about today, Stacy?
So the topic of today is about how to choose the most suitable nonwoven fabric machine. And we'd like to introduce different applications of our nonwoven fabric machines. And as we all know, there are many different types of machine, just like single S, double S, and S, triple S, SSMS machines.
Yeah.
So according to the preference of our customer, we can give different suggestions.
Yes.
So Janet, do you have any questions?
Yes. I have a customer. He wants to make some shopping bags. So what can I do for him?
Okay. So you to in the shopping bags, right?
Yes.
First, let me know more about this. Know more about our nonwoven fabrics. Okay. So let me show you fabrics. Could you please tell them?
This is a sample of single-S nonwoven fabric.
Yeah. So this is the white one, and this is also the single-S fabric.
Yellow?
Yeah. This is the yellow one. Okay.
It's yellow.
Yeah. So we also have the double S fabric.
Oh.
So, yeah, it's really colorful. Yeah. It's fresh. It's red one.
Yeah, red one.
Yeah, red one.
Double S.
Yeah, this is the double S fabric. Yeah, you see the double S is more S than single S, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Also,
It's
it's better than single S.
Yeah.
So triple S here. It's more somewhere. Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
okay.
It's the triple S fabric, and this is the white one.
It looks more thinner.
Yeah. Surely.
It's white.
Yeah, it's white.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So, we also have the meltblown fabric.
Oh, let me check. It feels like paper.
Yes, paper meltblown fabric has a better barrier property to protect us from the virus, the blood. It's protection.
Yeah, sounds great.
Yeah, so this is about the it's composite fabric made by a spun-bound nonwoven fabric and the meltblown fabric together.
Feels smooth.
Yeah, it's really okay. This is about the sample of the fabric, and just you see there are different colors of fabrics, and this is red, pink,
Yeah. Orange.
yeah,
Many colors.
What's maybe brown? Yeah,
Okay.
this is
And
green one.
yeah.
Purple?
Yeah.
Blue? Oh. Yeah, so all this can be made in our nonwoven fabrics. Yeah, you know, nonwoven fabric has many advantages.
Just like light permeable,
Yes.
air permeable,
Yes.
moist proof,
Yes.
melting proof,
Yes.
durable, eco-friendly.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
So we can see the nonwoven fabric has a lot of advantages.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's turn the question. Choose the shopping bag. basically it's about non-woven packaging bags.
Yes.
And
so which type of machine can you
use for bags machine is single S. And about this, to ask what is their needs about this, and what they want to do to produce what kind of products.
Okay.
Yeah, and according to the different output they need, we can suggest 1.6 meter and 2.4 meter or 3.2 meter.
Okay.
Yes, and what's more, we need to advise different ways for them to cut the suitable size. Okay,
so only single-S nonwoven fabric making machine can I choose?
Okay, of course not. Double-S fabric machine is also a good choice for your customer to make non-woven shopping bags. So single-S and double-S fabric machines is both okay.
Also okay.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
I got it. So what is the difference between the single-S machine and the double-S fabric making machine?
Okay, so from the name single S and double S, you can see the differences. Double S is 2S, but single S just 1S, right?
Yeah,
indeed.
Yeah, okay.
It's okay. So double fabric is 2 layers of filaments in both by Canada, but single S is just 1 layer, and the double S fabric has a better strength than single S when they are in low GSM. So in this way, double S fabric is softer and more comfortable than single S.
In short, double S nonwoven fabric is more softer, more comfortable than single S nonwoven fabric.
Yeah, and double S has a bigger capacity than single S. Yeah, it can produce more. Okay, so I will show you some samples of our shopping bags. Yeah, this is called
t-shirt bag.
You can it's like a t-shirt. As
has a very capacity.
Yes. So this is about the t-shirt bags.
Okay,
so this one, you can see, you can call it
handbag.
Yeah.
Okay. Bag is also okay.
Oh yeah. So could you stand up?
Okay.
And let us do.
Yeah. When I go shopping,
I
can take this shopping bag to supermarket. I can put something on it in it.
Yeah, so just as Jenny says, when we go out, when you go to the supermarket or any store, you can bring this non-woven shopping bags and put a lot of things on it. You can see it's really big, right?
Yeah, it can be used for 30 times.
Oh, it's really durable. Yeah, it's really durable.
And it has the square pattern.
Yes.
It has a bearing capacity to make a shopping bag.
Yes. Really eco-friendly. Okay, so basically it's about the box bag. Box bag, and also that's the zipper bag. Yeah. It's different like that one. Yeah. It's different from this. So we can see here is the zipper. We open it and put something on this, and then we lock it down. Oh, okay, it's really done.
More convenient.
Yeah, this is the original one. Is white one, and then
that thing we can.
It's really nice.
It has
many flowers. Yeah, flowers just like now we are in the spring. Outside many flowers blooming. Oh, it's really beautiful, nice. Yeah, maybe girls or like flowers. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So this is about our shopping bags.
Yeah. So Stacy, may I have a question?
Sure.
Can I fabric making machine to my baby diaper. He wants to make a napkin, baby diaper, and some hygiene products.
Yes. But for baby diaper, we suggest.
Okay.
Yeah, but you should need to ask the customer to add a hydrophilic treating device for them because the original nonwoven fabric is hydrophobic. So in order to produce a baby diaper, we need both hydrophilic fabric and hydrophobic fabric.
So I still don't understand the hydrophilic and the hydrophobic. So today I brought a baby diaper. Can you make some tips for me to understand it?
So I like to interesting task for you to understand this better. Okay, let's first open it. Yeah. Okay. So we can see the whole baby diaper is made by nonwoven fabric. Yeah, this is the inner side,
Inner
this
side,
is the outside.
outside.
There is a cute bear. Yeah, it's really
On
cute.
the baby diaper.
Yeah, it's lovely for baby to wear. Yeah.
Yeah.
So both sides is liquid partition to avoid the liquid leakage.
Yeah.
To better protect the baby.
Okay.
Okay, so we also have
Sample?
some sample fabric. So this one is the hydrophobic fabric. It's same with the outer side and the both sides.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one is the hydrophilic fabric. It's same as the inner side.
Okay. Inner side.
Okay,
It's
so
hydrophilic.
Yes.
Okay.
So Janet, could you please put some water on this?
Of course.
We will see what happened.
I will help you.
Okay. So just put some water.
Oh.
The whole water is easily absorbed.
Absorbed.
On the side.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can.
Hydrophilic.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hydrophilic.
Hydrophilic.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I got it.
So we can't see the water, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's fully absorbed.
Absorb. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a hydrophilic fabric, and then we put some water on this sample fabric and see what will happen.
Yes.
Ooh. You can see the water.
I think the water goes through the.
Yeah.
It's called hydrophilic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
The hydrophilic. Let's do another test.
Okay. Okay. Help you. Oh.
Yeah.
It's a refilled. No.
You know, all the water is fleeting. Yeah, you can see the water is on this outer side of
Hydrophobic. Yeah, it's called hydrophobic.
Yeah. The water is this. Yeah.
Oh.
So this is the
No matter.
sample hydrophobic. You can see the water
Yeah.
is still on the surface of this fabric. Yeah. It's different from the hydrophilic. Hydrophilic absorbs
Yeah,
all
they
the
are
water.
different.
Yeah, but the hydrophobic is refuse the water.
Yeah.
So after this interesting task, have you understand this more clearly?
Yeah, after this test, I totally understand the hydrophobic and the hydrophilic.
Next time I will explain it to my customer. So Stacy,
Yeah?
you know the COVID-19 is spread all over the world.
Yes.
When we go out, we must to have a face mask.
Yeah.
I have a customer. He wants to start a face mask business. What advice can I offer to him?
Okay.
Number 3. Yeah, face.
Yeah. Actually, for the mask, there are two different fabrics. One is spun-bound nonwoven fabric. Another is meltblown fabric.
Yeah.
Because of COVID-19, right now you wear the mask.
Please tell me how many layers of this face mask?
There are 3 layers
Yes.
in this face mask.
Yeah, so you can see
see clearly there are 3 layers of this face mask, and the middle one is meltblown fabric, and both sides are the spun-bound fabric.
Yeah.
Spun-bound fabric. Okay, so if your customer want to business in this, maybe he needed to as much. So in this way, use both fabric, meltblown fabric.
Oh, you mean that if I buy a SSMS machine,
Yeah.
I can get kind of meltblown nonwoven fabric and the spun-bound nonwoven fabric.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
All can produce.
Wonderful.
Yes. So, in an SSMS machine, we can get the double S fabric, a meltblown fabric, or SSMS machine fabric at one machine. Just need to add some extra web former and one for the meltblown head.
yeah. So
Guys, if you
start face mask business,
yeah,
you only need to buy a
SSMS.
It can produce 2 kinds of fabric to make this. Yeah.
So,
Just now we said there have meltblown fabric and spun-bound fabric. And for the spun-bound fabric, a single machine and double disposable
material.
Okay.
So Daisy,
Yeah.
I have a question about
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. What?
Know so much about
So, tell you a secret.
Okay.
Because I have she's the cute baby, and
Yeah.
she
you as his count. I need to look after him.
Yeah.
So maybe that's why I look about this. And we need to wear mask every day. So all know a lot about the mask, right?
Yeah. So next, for every baby to use the baby diaper,
Yeah.
face mask is necessary too.
Yeah.
If you are in high industry and packaging industry, please follow us.
Yes.
Yeah.
So today, me and Janet introduce the packaging bags, the face mask, the baby diaper, or any other applications.
Yeah.
If you want to know this, just contact us. And this is the
Official website of our company. You can
Yeah.
scan this QR code, and this is our contact information. Also, we will add the contact information below the video, and you can check it.
just feel free to contact us.
And
On yeah, if you have email or any, and we're always waiting for you.
yeah, share this channel to manager, to your the partner, friend, family. It's okay.
Yeah, so don't forget to follow us.
Yeah.
Follow our channel. Yeah, so next time a lot of video about anything else to understand more about our nonwoven fabrics and the machine. Just follow us, follow our site, follow our channel. Yeah.
We will also have live show right.
Yeah. So that's all about our today's video.
Yeah.
So see you next time.
Oh, okay. See you.
Bye bye.